today I have another collab for you. This one is hosted by Jessica Myros, and we are doing a Power Hour collab. We are checking things off our to-do list, and this kitchen is always on my to-do list because I have always got a mess. Always something stacked on the table, just all kinds of messes. So I'm going to try to clean this up as fast as I can. I've got an hour, or I've got a couple of hours. I'm trying to get everything done before I go pick my grandson up. And I have my other grandson here, and you'll see him a couple times. But I am going to hopefully give you some cleaning inspiration. And you will love Jessica's channel. She is a homemaker, and she does motherhood and wellness videos, and she is so funny. You will love her channel, so I hope you'll like and subscribe. And be sure to click on the playlist, and I'll have that linked below, as well as Jessica's channel linked down below as well. So I'm just going to turn the music on and hopefully get you in the mood to clean.
Stars in the sky. Did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning light. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, keep dancing. Stay up until the morning light. The morning light. Baby, you're out of sight. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We're dancing through the night. Stay up until was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies.
I hope this gave you a little cleaning motivation. I want to thank Jessica again for hosting. I'll have her channel linked below as well as the playlist. And if you're coming from Jessica's channel or from another channel on the playlist, I hope you'll stick around and like and subscribe if you like what you see here. So I hope to see you guys in the next video.